It is Chief Medical Officer of Uttar Pradesh, Dr. A.K. Shukla, who has now been arrested in the case of financial embezzlement of the National Rural Health Mission funds. It is the arrest really coming on a day that the Chief Judicial Magistrate report on Chief Medical Officer Y. Sachan is also due to be submitted today. We have Pranchu joining us on the phone line. Pranchu, how vital, how critical or rather crucial is the arrest of Dr. A.K. Shukla in this scam?
Well, see, yes, the Dr. A.K. Shukla, the former Chief Medical Officer of Lucknow, has been arrested around 10 to 15 minutes back from the medical college in Lucknow, and this confirmation has come in from the DIG of Lucknow, Mr. D.K. Thakur. Now, clearly, see, the case against Dr. A.K. Shukla was that of financial embezzlement of the NHRM funds. Remember, both Dr. A.K. Shukla and Dr. Y.S. Sachan, the Deputy CMO, were made accused in this FIR filed on the 7th of April. But now, the A.K. Shukla's arrest comes on a day when the CGM's report into the murder case of Dr. Sachan is to be tabled before the High Court. Therefore, this arrest becomes very important. Also, Dr. A.K. Shukla is said to be very closely politically connected to this establishment, and remember, he was not arrested for more than for more than couple of months, with the report being filed against him on 7th of April. So now this arrest coming at this point in time is a clear indicator that probably Dr. Shukla is in a bigger trouble. Probably there is something against Dr. Shukla which is beyond the case of just the financial embezzlement. So clearly, we'll have to wait and watch as to what the official version comes in from the police. But at this point in time, the DIG of Lucknow has confirmed to Times Now, saying that yes, Dr. Shukla has been arrested, and primarily he has been arrested on the charges of the financial embezzlement, in which Dr. Sachan was also accused. But keeping in mind the fact that the day of his arrest, the timing of his arrest, it seems there is probably much more to the story behind his arrest rather than only the case of the financial embezzlement.
Right. The man on your screens there, A.K. Shukla, who was also named in the FIR along with murder Deputy Chief Medical Officer Y. Sachan, whose report is due to be submitted in court today. Pranchu, certainly, even as Dr. Sachan's family is looking for a CBI probe into his death, the government certainly seeming like it is acting on the surface.
Well, I see, that's right. The sort of sense we are getting as a reporter on the story is that now the things are moving pretty fast. Remember, it was late night yesterday when the Times Now went ahead with the story that the Chief Judicial Magistrate has established that Dr. Sachan was murdered. Immediately after that, just this morning, the news of Dr. A.K. Shukla's arrest comes up, and just a couple of hours later, the CGM's report is going to be tabled in front of the double judge bench of the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court. So the sequence of events, the pace of events, it clearly shows that something big is going on as far as this case is concerned, and clearly Dr. Shukla's arrest is not just a nominal arrest, it's not a small arrest. Remember, Dr. A.K. Shukla is well connected in the ruling establishment of Uttar Pradesh. His immediate family members, they hold very high offices in Uttar Pradesh government, and therefore he was not being arrested since 7th of April, and what more, he was not even questioned. Now he has suddenly been arrested, and arrested too from the medical college where he has gone in for some sort of health checkup. So it clearly seems that there is something big behind this arrest, and it's not just only the case of financial embezzlement. However, at this point in time, legally, Dr. A.K. Shukla is only an accused in the case of financial embezzlement, the FIR of which was filed on 7th of April, and the story which we had shown on Times Now at that point in time, and have raised questions that when Dr. Sachan was arrested for the same grounds, why was not Dr. A.K. Shukla arrested? But today, around 10-15 minutes back, Dr. A.K. Shukla has finally been arrested.
Right.